Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch a country or your country on the Google Play Store. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type play.google.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page. And of course, you would like to be logged in into your account. Of course, if you are not logged in into your account, you'll need to go and click at the top right corner icon. Of course, for you, it will be empty. Click on it and you'll be able to sign in or to log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, even to create an account. Of course, you'll be able to do those two options with a Google account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account and even logging in into your account. So once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself here with this homepage as we said. And of course, if you would like to switch your country, so of course, if you are using like an Android device, or maybe you are on your phone, just open the Google Play Store. At the top right, tap at the profile icon and tap settings, general account, then and devices or device preferences. Just go and click on that, then tap the country where you want to add an account. And of course, you would like to follow the on-screen instructions to add a payment method for that country, and you will be good to go. But for a PC, that will be different. You will need to use actually a VPN. So of course, just go and maybe use whatever VPN you have on your PC, or you can just go and use one of the extensions. For me, I have this extension. Of course, it is free VPN. Just go and search free VPNs on extensions if you want, or if you want to download it. And for this free VPN, I have here for countries only. Of course, if I want more countries, I'll need to pay. But of course, just change the country, and of course, I'll need to close the application and open it from the beginning. And of course, I'll find myself here with a different country. If that didn't work for you, simply you will need to use the VPN and then create a new account. That will definitely change your or switch your country if the first try didn't work for you, like with just changing the VPN with the same account. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.